What's up, everybody? Crypto Hedge here for a really quick update. I'm just going to add in the browser right now. I didn't even know the stream started. I went over to the YouTube and it was already started, so sorry for the insanely crappy intro, but I'm just tuning in real quick, so we're going to talk about just a few things. It'll be like honestly like a 15-minute live stream, so I'm going to keep it short, simple, and to the point. Of course, many of you guys want that anyway, so I'm going to be really quick. Hold on one second. I'm just going to pop this browser in here, and then I will discuss some of the things that I want to talk about. I'm sure you guys can see the description. That's what we're talking about today. So it's just going to be really quick. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys. What's up, Andrew? What's up, Jason? What's up, Hot Chutney? What's up, Gregory? What's up, Kyle? What's up, Yvette? What's up, Steve? Gotta take another break from work for the live stream again. Yeah, this is just gonna be a really quick live stream, guys. Really quick. Back at it again with the dope intro. Thank you. I didn't even know this live stream started, to be quite honest. Like, I checked my platform, like, oh my gosh, the live stream already started. So we're gonna jump in real quick. It's gonna be, like I said, I keep saying it's gonna be really quick. I have so many things I have to do right now, but I wanted to tune in because I posted on my Twitter, guys, if you haven't seen, that I am very interested in creating Litecoin and Bitcoin stickers, generic stickers, and also vinyl stickers for your car. Two very different stickers, but I want to create Litecoin and Bitcoin stickers, and I'd like to mass produce them, and I'll probably be doing giveaways on my channel of those stickers so that you guys can slam them all around town, put them on your cars and whatnot. So that's really exciting stuff to look forward to because I'm very serious about that. I think it'll be awesome, and I wanted to tune into this live stream because we had Bitman that made an incredible intro for me, very tech savvy. I just don't personally have the time to make these to create the design for these stickers. So if there's anyone, once this live stream is posted, or even in the live stream now, if there's anyone that has is familiar with Photoshop and Illustrator and can make and design Litecoin and Bitcoin stickers, I'd love to see what you guys can come up with. You guys can DM me on Twitter or even YouTube and send me over some of the some of the rough drafts that you guys come up with. I'd love to see what you guys create. We have quite a few people that watch this channel that are pretty good with Photoshop and designing through virtual programs. So that is awesome. You guys saw my Reddit post. Yeah, I did put a Reddit post as well on the Litecoin subreddit that I'm going to be making stickers. So I really want to see what you guys can come up with if you can create some designs. I have yet to get the PNG files or maybe even a vector file for the Litecoin logo and the Bitcoin logo. I DM'd Charlie Lee. I'm just waiting for him to get back to me, and maybe he'll be able to send me maybe a PNG or a vector file of the logos, so that'll be like a standard base to work off of. But we can look at the charts real quick. I'm not going to dodge the charts. We saw Bitcoin did go down quite a bit. It dropped like $200 in 1 hour when I was up last night, which isn't too alarming because we were deemed for a correction, a pullback from this intense all-time high. So it's nothing huge. We're in a total uptrend still, guys. Just a small correction we can see right here. It's already moving its way back up. Right there, you can see this is when it fell down this morning. But it's pretty solid, and we've seen a little bit more retracement, but it'll find its ground. I believe that our support is still moving sideways. We're seeing some sideways movement, so I don't think it's going to be a huge pullback, guys. We're in an uptrend. It's going to continue to grow. We've got mass adoption. We've got investors getting into cryptocurrencies and everything I've said in my past live stream. So nothing's new. We can see Litecoin did hit $50 again. It hit $50. The second time. I did put it on my Twitter that it hit $50, but $50 is not the resistance, ladies and gentlemen. Around $52 is the resistance. So it was just nice to see it hit 50 bucks again, showing its support, which is what it's showing when it did hit the 50 bucks again. So that's awesome to see. We are seeing obviously a little bit of downtrend. Obviously Bitcoin runs the entire cryptocurrency, the crypto space. So when Bitcoin starts to fall, more or less all the altcoins decide to fall as well. But there's obviously some times when other altcoins do gain in value when Bitcoin falls. But we're just seeing a small correction right now. Obviously, we haven't seen a new all-time high with Litecoin. I told you guys that it was going to be testing $49 in one of my live streams. We can load it in real quick. It's 6:58 Eastern time right here, so I'm going to make this quick. So we can see, I did tell you guys this week we were going to be testing $49, you know, probably jumping around with it, which is exactly what we're seeing. It even fell a little bit, like I said in 2 live streams back. I said, you know, it's going to be jumping around from the $45 big support level to $49. I don't know if it's going to go all the way down to $44. I'm not too confident on that happening, but obviously there still is a possibility there because we have some major support at that line. It did hit $49, like I just said, and it's still testy with it. We can see that it's sitting on $47 right now. So we just have to watch and see. You know, the weekend's coming. There could be some dips over the weekend, but like I said, we're in a total uptrend, and it's quite pleasant to see. You guys have seen my last live stream, so I'm not going to go over everything again. If you haven't already, go check out those live streams. A lot of good content in them. And also, you know, I made a Steemit account, so if you guys would like to follow my Steemit account, I have the Steemit address in the description, the Crypto Hedge Steemit account. So I'll be posting on there frequently, and I'm also posting on Twitter, of course. I've been active on there every single day. So let me get over to here. I have my Steemit account pinned to the top of my Twitter, so in the address is right here as well, so you guys can follow that. But I'm very serious about creating the stickers and whatnot. And I'm going to go over mining as well. I've definitely done a lot of heavy research on mining. I will be getting a mining, creating a mining setup. I'm really heavily looking into the Antminer L3 Plus. And I'm also looking at, let me go here real quick. This is a really quick update. So let me see. I'm going to tell you guys what mining rigs that I'm going to be looking into very soon. Once they become available, they're out of stock right now, guys, so I can't buy something that's out of stock, and I'm not going to pay way above market price for it on like Amazon, which would be outrageous. But I'm going to be getting the Antminer L3 Plus, and I'm going to be getting the gosh, what is it called? Hold on one second. I'm going to be getting the APW3++, which is the power distributor for the L3 Plus, and I'll also be getting obviously the power cords for the AP3++. This is really the Antminer L3 Plus is the best setup right now. Card for mining Litecoin. It's extremely powerful. So I will be looking into getting these once they become available, and once I see on Twitter that Bitmain is going to be releasing another batch of the APW3++ and the L3 Antminer Plus. I will definitely be buying them, and I'll be buying probably a test setup. I'm not going to be buying like a million rigs right away, but I will buy an initial rig to see how it works. Seems quite profitable. I've done my research. We're going to get more into it in future live streams, but I just wanted to let you know that, you know, I'm very keen on getting a mining setup. Mining rig setup, mining farm, if you will, for Litecoin and a few other coins. So just getting started. As of right now, all I have really been looking at is the Litecoin Antminer L3 Plus and the APW3++ that need to be released sooner or later. You know, I'm just sticking around waiting for them to be released because I want to buy them. And this seems pretty cool as well. The Ant Router R1 LTC, which basically is a Wi-Fi router that is a small miniature Litecoin miner, has a steady stream of mining Litecoin. So I might look into that. I have to look a little more into that to really, you know, firmly maybe purchase it just for, you know, home use, maybe office use. But definitely the Antminer L3 Plus and APW3++, once they become available, I will be buying them. How many, I'm not sure yet, but I'm sure they won't be releasing them before I make another live stream, which I'll go in depth with it soon. So thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, if you guys have any ideas on designing a Litecoin or Bitcoin sticker, I will be making stickers, vinyl stickers, and regular generic stickers as well. So I'd love to see your designs. PM me, DM me on Twitter and YouTube, and I'd be happy to you know, consider them. And I'm also going to be involved in public relations for Litecoin, namely just Litecoin. You know, I spoke with the, I think it was the LAC on the subreddit post. They're looking for people to take certain positions in Litecoin. So I'll most likely be doing public relations. They love that I have my YouTube channel, and it's been growing at an exponential rate. I do talk about Litecoin a lot, so I'll definitely probably be the director of public relations for Litecoin, which is a huge position to take on. Of course, it's voluntary position, but I'm just a very busy person, and I really don't have a lot of time on my hands, which is why I'm trying to get some of you guys to design the logo for me, or design a sticker for me. That I can then create and process. I have the money to do it, but I don't have the time to create it. So, like I said, guys, if you guys can come up with something, that'd be awesome. Because I want to mass produce them, and I'll be giving them away on my channel like candy. So that'll be something to look forward to. But yep, I made my Steemit. I'm looking at mining heavily. Next time they're available, I will be getting a initial setup. And then, yeah, if you haven't already, follow my Twitter account. It's been growing really fast. I'd love to see you guys interact on my Twitter account. I do post every single day. Pretty active on Twitter, probably more than Reddit. And then, with Litecoin, once again, Litecoin is obviously very strong, and it looks like we're going to be taking another stair step soon once Bitcoin starts to gain its ground and move upwards into, further highs. But like I said, everything is the same. Nothing has changed with where I stand with Litecoin. Great things to come. And I think today was an anniversary for Stratus. I haven't really gotten any update on that stuff yet, just none, because I've been very busy, but today was like the Stratus anniversary, 1-year anniversary or whatever, so that's pretty cool to see. Maybe they came out with announcements, I don't know, but for the live stream, this is just a quick update. This is nothing huge. So yeah, we can see with the cipher, it did go up a little bit. We could see some downtrending, as Bitcoin goes up, the BTC to LTC pair goes down if Litecoin's price doesn't go up, and basically the Litecoin price would remain stable and steady for it to even reach the D on this bullish cipher. So we saw a thick candlestick. I think that it could most possibly be just upwards from here. We do have the yellow resistance right here for the BTC LTC pair. So it's down or up, dependent on Bitcoin, really, because when Bitcoin goes down, obviously the altcoins tend to go down. But Litecoin's in a total uptrend, so no major dips in price. We'll be approaching a new all-time high fairly soon. You guys already know where I stand for this month. But yep, this is just a quick update. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me just check out the chat box real quick. Yeah, buddy, making it large, man. Go Hedge, PR for Litecoin. Yes, I will probably be gaining that position for Litecoin. And it'll be more exposure for my channel as well. And I will be mining. I really want to get into mining. Mining is like the source, and buying is like the outcome. So I want to be the source. Yeah, I know that you have to buy within 2 hours once the tweet goes on. That's why I've been tracking Bitmain's Twitter really closely to see when they're going to release more. They release them over periods of time, which makes sense, but I really want to buy one. Yeah, someone did make Litecoin t-shirts. I might make Litecoin t-shirts in the future, but right now I want to make stickers because they're very liquid and easy to create and manage, so it'll be a lot more effective to have stickers than to use t-shirts because there's more exposure rating for that. But my longest position is Litecoin. I don't plan on trading it, Lewis. Same here. I'm very long with Litecoin. Got my light on today, addicted. It's almost really impossible to get the ant miner. I know the ant miner is very hard to get, unfortunately. Hopefully I can, land one when they release it again, but people tend to buy a crap load of them and then there's none for anyone else, so you have to be quick on your feet to buy them. People buy huge quantities and then they resell them, like this one guy. I don't even know his name, but he's selling them on Amazon at $4,000, and I want to get mine for $2,000. Why am I going to spend double the price? It's stupid. But hopefully I can land one. If not, and I have to stretch and buy one for over the market value, then I guess I'll have to do that. But I really want to get one soon. I want to be quick on my feet before Litecoin starts extremely exploding. So you could buy the D3. Isn't the D3 a dash miner? I think the D3 is newer, but they released a D3 for Dash, but I'm not interested in mining Dash, to be quite honest. And when you mine Litecoin, you're mining Dogecoin as well, which is frustrating, but very profitable to be mining. So I will definitely be doing that, and I'll look further into it. Makes like $3,000 a month. I'll look at the D3. I haven't looked in depth at the D3. I've looked at the L3 Plus because it looks to be very solid. And I like how they have the what's it called? They have like a warranty on it, which is awesome as well. So Bitmain looks pretty sharp. I'll look at the D3 today. Now that you've mentioned it, I know I looked at it briefly, but if that's the better bet, I'll go with the D3 because I know that it's extremely profitable. So thank you guys for tuning in for this quick live stream. This is just very simple. If you haven't already and you're new or whatever, subscribe to this channel. Check out some of my other live streams. I will be posting this live stream because I want people to see that I want people to design stickers and such for Litecoin and Bitcoin so that I can start producing them and making them and giving them out to people. I want to get them all over the globe. So that's definitely a mission of mine, and I'm going to stick to it. So thank you guys for tuning in. I am going to be tuning out right now. Take care and stay profitable. I'll be back soon for another important big update in a few days. So thank you guys.